Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ratings. Match amp RMS to the sub and check impedance so you don't overload either component. Once done, disconnect the battery negative. Safety first with 12V systems. Next, route a fused 12V power wire to the amp, run a remote turn-on lead to the head unit, and secure a short, solid chassis ground within 18 inches. Make sure wires are free of sharp edges and use ring terminals for reliable connections. You now focus on audio path and positioning. Connect RCA cables from the head unit to the amp, or use speaker-level adapters if needed, keeping signal cables away from power runs to avoid noise. Mount the amp on a rigid, ventilated surface with 1-2 clearance so heat can dissipate. Once powered, set the low-pass crossover near the subwoofer cut, set gain low, and choose phase 0 or 180 by ear. Make incremental adjustments so you preserve headroom and prevent clipping. You finish by tuning. Play test tones and raise the amp gain until the sub output is clear, backing off at the first hint of distortion to protect the speaker. Once levels are healthy, fine-tune the crossover and sub level so bass blends with your mains. Use music you know well. If you encounter hum or noise, immediately check ground connections and reroute signal cables away from power wiring. A poor ground or ground loop is the single most common issue and often the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.